Alright, remember, let's go for our feedback. So I think this one, the first one you did get right. Okay, so 3x squared minus 9x. As I said in the introduction video, you can do what? You can say, I see a 3 and I see an x. Okay, and then you can go 3x, then you open your brackets. Then you go 3x squared over 3x. Then what do you have? You have a 1. Then what do you have? You have an x, isn't it? Okay, you can write it here. Then you go, okay, x here. Then you take your 9x, do your 3x. Then you do what? You go crazy. What do? You go scratch. Then your final answer is what? It's 3, isn't it? Okay. Then you write your 3 there. Don't forget your sign. Don't forget your number. Don't forget to close your bracket. Okay. So, yeah, just develop the confidence to be able to do that. All right. If you're not confident, you can still do this. Okay, I'm gonna do it here. You can still do this. You can still say 3x squared minus 9x, and then my LCD is what? It's 3x, isn't it? Okay. LCF, rewrite that question. Rewrite it like this. Okay. Then the 3x at the bottom, the 3x at the bottom. Okay. Then when you do this, you don't have an issue, isn't it? Okay. What do you have? This was 3x squared rather. What will you have? You'll have your x, isn't it? Okay. Then you can write it here. Then you do this. What do you have? You have a 3. You do this. There's no x, isn't it? Then you have your 3 there. Close. Then 3x. Okay. So just make sure that you have this separate from that. Then you can say 3 times the invisible one, 3. X times x, x squared. 3 times 3, 9. X times the invisible one, x. Positive times negative, negative. Then you'll be okay. All right, remember? Otherwise, I'm happy with this one. All right. So, how did you do with this one? Not a problem. Okay. I see a 3. That's all I see. I don't see an x. I can't put an x there. This 3 goes there how many times? It goes there twice. This x is not divided by any x there. Okay. Then positive. Then goes there 3 times. Then you are done. Okay. 3 times 2, 6. Visible one, x, x. 3 times 3, 9. No variable, no variable, no variable, no variable. All right. Then you are sorted. All right. You are not sure. You say, I'm going to do this. 6x over 3. 3 goes there, 2. Then you have 2x. Then you write it. Then you say 9 over 3. 3. Then you write it. Okay. But don't forget your LCF. Okay. LCF, LCD is 3. Okay. Right, remember? Yeah, these ones you were okay. Then it started to get busy. Started to get busy with these ones, isn't it? Okay. So what were the other ones? The other one that you got was 6x squared y plus 9xy. Okay. So same thing. Here maybe it becomes too busy. You've got many alphabets. Then you say, hey, I don't want to take chances here. My LCF, what is it? I see a 3, and I see an x, and I see a y. Okay. Right. So you might be getting confused because there's too many variables involved. So it might need you to do this, isn't it? Okay. Right. Then you do what? You say my LCF is 3, x and y. Then you open your bracket. 3 goes there twice. You see, I'm no longer even scratching. X goes there x. Y goes there once. Invisible 1. Okay. Then you write 9xy, 3xy. What happens now? The 3 goes there 3. The x goes there once. The y goes there once. Invisible, invisible. So I'm done. Positive, positive, positive. Confirm. 3 times 2, 6. X times x, x squared. Y times invisible 1, y. 3 times 3, 9. X times invisible 1, X. Y times invisible 1, Y. Then you are done. Okay. So, was it that too much? No, you just froze because they include something that is new. And remember, you say, this one I didn't do it in class. In an exam, it's going to be like this. They'll put in something that you didn't see in class just to see if ever you can figure your way out, to see if you are confident. All right. So what is my LCF here? It is what it is. 4. Do I have an X? Yes, I have an X. Do I have a Y? Yes, I have a Y. Do I have a Z? I don't have a Z there, so I'm not going to put it there. Go back to my X, which is the lowest power, 2. What about my Y? It's a common power, isn't it? Also low for both of them. Then you go now. 8x cubed y squared z. Then you put your LCF. Then you can do your crossing. Otherwise, you just look at the terms, okay? Or let me say the characters. The whole thing is a term. The whole thing is a term. This on its own is a term. This on its own is a term. I'm just saying term loosely. Right, you look at the digits. What is my LCF? 4x squared y squared. The 4 goes there twice. The x to the 2 is taken out. I'm left with 1x. The y squared is taken out, invisible 1. No z. That z is not divided by anything. I leave it there. Then I do the same thing again. 4x squared y squared. Then I put 4x squared y squared. This one you do it once, one time. Anything divided by itself is 1. Then you are done. Okay, you don't need to waste time doing that. Okay, the teacher doesn't give you marks for those strokes. Anything that I want to do or say, remember? Okay. Right, as I said, you can do this here. It's nice and neat, but otherwise, you can write the question. Then this, you do it here before this final answer, okay? But remember, when you're done with this, okay, you have to put the LCF, okay? You have to put the LCF. So sometimes I say you can do this so that you don't forget the LCF, and then you write it here. Okay, you write it here. What does it do? This LCF cancels this so that you are left with that. This LCF cancels this so that you are left with that, and that's what they were given. Okay, so show you different ways of thinking about this. Okay, but yeah, this one for me, it's easy. Okay, let me see. Yeah, if you say, I don't want to quickly write the answers there, you want to write them there first, not a problem. Okay, not a problem. But in a test, you've got 1 hour. How many questions? Maybe 4 or 5. You want to do them quickly. In an exam, got what, 1.5 hours, isn't it? Got how many questions? 11 questions. You see, you can't waste time. 2 marks, 1 1. 2 marks, 1 1. So you don't get marks for all of these. All right. So yeah, this is what I thought I should show you, my member. That was the first one. Okay, I think I'm happy. Then this one, I'm also happy. Okay. Yeah, once you get this properly, you will see how it will help you when they put something like this together with something like this next to each other. So it becomes 4 of these things. Then you become too busy. Okay. But anyway, we'll see when we get there. But it's not difficult. Okay. All right, remember, this one is our first one into the world of algebra in factorization. It is adding to simplification and products, all of that, isn't it? Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm happy. All right, practice and be perfect. Okay, remember, we'll meet in the next types of challenges.